भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान्स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। अनादिमाया सुप्तो यदा जीवः प्रबुध्यते. When this jiva is woken up by the guru through Shastra Upadesha, Tattvamasi Mahavakya. Tattvamasi Mahavakya doesn't mean Acharya gives only one Vakya and person will realize. All sadhanas means whatever is covered in Prasthanatraya or Brahad Prasthanatraya and other Purana, Itihasa, other Shastriya Granthas, and to study that, whatever else is required, Vyakarana, Nyaya, Mimamsa, and other darshanas like Sankhya, Bauddha, all of this is covered in Prabudyate. So it is not that student walks in, Tattvamasi, walks out, over. It never happens like that. They just dramatize things in those ways. Then he realizes that he was never born. He is unborn reality. In Tika, we have to see from the first line. Swapa parigrihitasyaiva. That is how you have to split that word. I thought there is some error, but I saw this correct. Swapa parigrihitasyaiva. Pratibodhana, that is how you have to split again. Pratibodhana. Swapa parigrihitasyaiva pratibodhana avakasho bhavati. Swapa means sleep. Anybody who is overpowered by sleep, only for that person there is a reason or scope for waking up. Iti aha yada. Yada Vedanta Artha Tattva Bhijnanena etc. in Bhashya. Tika. Yada Suptaha Tada Buddhyate iti Sheshaha. When he is sleeping, then he is awakened. Then he will wake up. Pratibodhakam Vishnashti. What is the Pratibodhaka? Vedantartha. So Pratibodhaka means the one who is going to wake the sleeping person up. Awakener, if you want to call. Vedantartha Tattva Vijnanina. Katham Pratibodhanam Tad Aha. How he is going to wake up? Na asi evam tvam hetu phalatmakaha. You are not this kind of hetu phalatmaka means you are neither karta nor bhokta. Akarta, abhokta, atma you are. This I have to understand. So I say, but I know all dhatus and I know sandhi sutras and I know nyaya. But I don't know, I am akarta bhokta. I have to keep doing my sadhana. Journey has to continue. अनुभूयमानत्वम् एवं इति उच्यते. This should be my anubhava. Anubhuyamanatvam evam. So this should be my experience. This is how I have to recognize myself that I am not hetu phalatmakaha, but I am Brahma. यदा उक्त विशेषणेन गुरुणा प्रतिबोध्यमानः शिष्यस् तदा असौ एवं वक्ष्यमाण प्रकारेण प्रतिबुद्धो भवति इति उक्तम्. When in this way, with these visheshana, when Guru wakes him up that you are not hetu phalatmakaha, not karta bhokta, you don't have this sharira, nanta prajnana bhashipagna, everything you have to understand here. Then vakshямana prakarena pratibuddho bhavati. Then he will wake up. That prakara is said further. Ajama nidrama swapnam, etc. Tam eva prakaram prashnapurvakam dvitiyardha vyakhyanena vishadayati. That prakara, that method, prashnapurvakam. So here Tikakar and Bhashyakar, they will put a question and then he will explain. Prashnapurvakam Vishadayati. He expounds in the form of the second half, Dvitiyardha. Katham ityadina. How? Katham pratibuddhyate in this way. Na asmin bahyam, na abhyantaram va. After katham, you can put comma. Otherwise, we'll end up reading Katham na asmin bahyam abhyantaram va janmadi bhavikaro asti. Then ataha will not work. So Katham, how? The answer is given. Asmin bahyam abhyantaram va na janmadi bhavikaro va na asti. In this, there is no Bahya Abhyantara. In Tika it will be explained this, but you know this is from which Upanishad? Mundaka Upanishad. Divyo hyamurtaha purushaha sabahya abhyantaro hyajaha aprano hyamana shubbraha hyaksharat paratah paraha. न अस्मिन् बाह्यम आभ्यंतरम वा जन्मादि भाव विकार. दिस और न जन्मादि भाव विकार. सो न जायते म्रियते वा विपश्चिन्न यम कुतश्चिन्न बभूव कश्चित्. So all six vikaras are eliminated there. Ataha ajam. So in both shrutis, न जायते म्रियते वाग विपश्चिन नायम कुतश्चिन न बभुव कश्चित अजो नित्य शाश्वत. And that other one sabahyaabhyantaro hi ajaha. Aja is there in both. Ajam sabahyaabhyantaro hi ajaha iti shrutehe. टीका अस्मिन् इति सप्तम्या बोध्यात्म रूपं परामृश्यते न अस्मिन् अस्मिन् means what is this bodhya vastu turiyam in that which is the bodhya vastu its paramarsha means it is thought of that asmin means kasmin turiye brahmani which was already said in the seventh mantra that we should not forget. So that is called paramarsha, recollecting what was already discussed. Bahyam karyam, bahyam means karyam, abhyantaram means karanam. In Brahma there is no karya, there is no karanam. Karya karana vilakshanam. Tacha ubhayam iha nasti. None of them are there in this. ततो जन्मादेर भाव विकारस्य नात्र अवकाशः संभवति इत्यर्थः. Because there is no karya and karana, therefore there is no scope for janmadi bhava vikara. The bhava rupa vikaras jayate, asti, vardhate, viparinamate, apakshiyate, vinashyati. They are not there. न अत्र अवकाश संभवति इत्यर्थः. अवतारितं विशेषणं सप्रमाणं योजयति. This विशेषण that it is sabahyaabhyantarah ajah, that now he is supporting with the shruti sabahya iti, that is the pramanam. Ajatvad eva anidram, because it is ajah, therefore it is anidra. See, ajah, I am not born, therefore I am anidra. How do you put the two together? He gives the explanation there. Say something. Who was saying? How? So there is no ignorance. Okay. Here you see how it is given. कार्याभावे कारणस्य प्रमाण अभावेन वक्तुम अशक्यत्वात्. कार्य अभावे कारणस्य प्रमाण अभावेन वक्तुम अशक्यत्वात् इति मत्वाह. यस्मात्. That is further. Okay. Ajatvat. Aja means I am birthless. Shunyam is also birthless, or not? And Shunyam doesn't have ignorance also. So, when it is said I am ajaha, means aham asmi and ajaha asmi in this way. So I am not shunyam also. And when I know that I am a reality which is birthless, then I will not be ignorant in either way. Neither I will take myself as shunyam, nor I will take myself as subject to any modifications, or there will be तत्व अग्रहणम. कार्य अभावे कारणस्य प्रमाण अभावेन वक्तुम अशक्यत्वात्. So this कार्य in the form of agrahana and अन्यथा grahana, कारणस्य प्रमाण अभावेन. When you say that this is how I am, ajam anidram, so you have to show some pramana. So now explanation is given. सबाह्याभ्यंतरो हि अजः इति श्रुतेः सर्वभाव विकार वर्जितम् इत्यर्थः. देन यस्मात् जन्मादि कारणभूतं न अस्मिन् अविद्या तमो बीजम निद्रा विद्यते इति अनिद्रम. He gives this reason. Only if I am ignorant, I have birth. So, if I say I am unborn, that means there is no ignorance. He says, because you have understood that you have no birth, neither this birth nor previous birth, that is the sign that you don't have avidya tamo bijam nidra na vidyate. यस्मात् जन्मादि कारणभूतं न अस्मिन् अविद्या तमो बीजम निद्रा विद्यते इति अनिद्रम. So this should be my understanding, that I am birthless, not next birth or this birth. I don't have any birth, I don't have any death. Then what should I do with this body? This body should go through its own prarabdha at its own pace. You cannot do anything about it. Just don't identify with it, that's all. Anidram hetu kritva visheshanantaram darshayati. So anidram is now hetu. And next visheshana is aswapnam. Anidram hi tat turiyam. Ataha eva aswapnam. That turiyam is anidram. Therefore it is aswapnam. So turiya vastu is without any projections also, any erroneous notions. Aswapnam. So if karana is not there, karya will not be there. If tattva agrahana is not there, anyatha agrahana will not be there. So there is no problem. He says in Bhashya, tan nimittatvat anyatha grahanasya. Swapnam has nidra as the nimittam. If nimittam is not there, then anyatha grahana, the naimittika also will not be there. Nimitta bhave, naimittika bhavaha. They always say nimitta paye, naimittika bhavaha. So if you remove the nimitta, then other things also will not be there. Other thing means it's karya. Tika. Tattvam evam lakshanam astu. Okay, let turiya be ajam, anidram, aswapnam, etc. Atmanah kim ayatam. Atmana means mama. Tippani se. What should I do with it? Atma may be without birth, without ajnanam, without ajnana karyam. What should I do with it? Murkha, you are that. Iti ashankya aha turiyam. Yasmacha anidram aswapnam tasmat ajam advaitam turiyam atmanam buddhyate tada. Since this is anidram aswapnam, therefore ajam advaitam turiyam atmanam tada manyate. Then he realizes this is who I am. We are not talking about something who is up in the sky, who is in the temples, who is everywhere else, and I am still Ajnani. I am this Brahma. Tada vishishtena acharyena vishishtam shishyam prati pratibodhana avasthayam ityartha. He says, when will this happen? Tada is there, right? Atmanam tada buddhyate. Tada means kada buddhyate, where the Vishishta Acharya as Vishishta Shya. I knew it. That's why I'm not getting, because Acharya is not Vishishta. Understood? Or he is Vishishta, or she, whoever is the Acharya, but he is Vishishta for other students. I am left out. That's why I remain Avishishta. That's why I'm not getting it. We should always see what I should do to improve my sadhana chatushtaya. If at all we feel I am not Brahma, I am Karta, Bhokta, I am Baddha, increase your japa, increase your bhakti, increase your sharanagati to Bhagavan. This is the right method. Don't say, but I don't believe in Saguna Brahma. What is this all the time, Saguna, Saguna? You are unfit for Nirguna. First statement to understand. Person who is fit for Nirguna will never deny Saguna. Person who is fit for Nirguna will never deny Saguna. Person who is not fit for Nirguna, chances are they are not fit for Saguna Upasana also. They are actually fit for Karma Yoga only. They should go and work and suffer, get tired, exhausted, and sleep at night. And this is all that should happen until they are ready to thank Bhagavan. This sadhana journey is not easy. Okay. So actually, main teaching of Mandukya is also done. When he wakes up, ajamanidram aswapnam advaitam buddhyate tada. Now, turiyam advaitam iti uktam tad ayuktam. He says turiya is advaitam because ajamanidram aswapnam advaitam buddhyate. He said that is not right. Why? Prapanchasya dvitiyasya satvat. Because this prapancha is there. As long as I am experiencing prapancha, where is Advaitam? I see all these things. Dvitiyasya satvat iti ashankyaha. Prapancho yadi vidyeta nivarteta na samshayah maya matramidam dvaita madvaitam paramarthatah. Prapancho yadi vidyeta nivarteta na samshayah. Yadi prapancho vidyeta. Siddhanti is answering. Purvapakshi's question was, as long as prapancha is there, how can there be Advaitam? Siddhanti says, if prapancha was there, certainly it would go away. There is no doubt. Nivarteta, na samshaya. Purvapakshi says, what do you mean? He said, if prapancha was there, it would go away. It is not there, so it will not go away. You are saying when prapancha goes, there is Advaitam. I am saying prapancha is not there. Therefore, it will not go away. Therefore, while prapancha is there, there is Advaitam. While prapancha is there means while you are experiencing prapancha which is not there, there is Advaitam. Idam Dvaitam Maya Matram. This Dvaitam is only like a magic show. This magic show, you see, there are magic show means movie, let us say. Movies are always not of joy and laughter and all, or fun. There is suspense, there is some crying, there is horror, everything is there in movie. So all the rasas are there. So this Dvaita Prapancha will have all rasas, this magic show. Paramarthataha Advaitam only. Absolute reality doesn't have all this. टीका प्रपंच निवृत्त्या तुरीय प्रतिबोधात तद अद्वितीयत्वम अविरुद्धम. If when prapancha goes away, then turiya knowledge has taken place. There is advitiyatvam accepted, aviruddham. There is no contradiction. This is what Siddhanti said. Purvapakshi says, Siddhantikim ashankam Purvavadi anuvadati. Purvavadi, now he says in Bhashya, प्रपंच निवृत्त्या चेत प्रतिबुध्यते अनिवृत्ते प्रपंच कथम अद्वैतम इति. प्रपंच निवृत्ति, if they on pa there is something, then you remove. प्रपंच निवृत्त्या चेत प्रतिबुध्यते. When prapancha nivritti takes place, then he wakes up, then he realizes. Chet pratibudhyate anivritte prapanche. When prapancha is not removed, then how there is Advaitam? If prapancha is not there, then Advaitam I understand. Prapancha is not eliminated, how there is Advaitam? Iti tika. Tarhi purvam prapancha nivrittehe अनिवृत्तस्य तस्य सत्वात् नाद्वैतं सिद्धुम अर्हति इति पूर्ववादी एव ब्रवीति. पूर्वं प्रपंच निवृत्तेः अनिवृत्तस्य तस्य. When prapancha nivritti is not there, पूर्वं प्रपंच निवृत्तेः अनिवृत्तस्य. So prapancha nivritti should happen. If it is not happened, tasya sattvat, prapanchasya sattvat, advaitam na siddhum arhati. Na advaitam siddhum arhati. Advaita is, siddhum means siddhi. Advaita siddhi will not happen. So Purvadi says, anivritte prapancha katham advaitam. Siddhanti shlokena uttaramaha uchyate. So now the shloka is answer to that question. Uchyate. Kim prapanchasya vastutvam upetya advaita anupapattihi uchyate. Kim va avastutvam. Kim prapanchasya vastutvam upetya. Having, see, Purvapakshi, when he asks, Siddhanti says, do you mean to say prapancha is a real thing? Vastutvam upetya. Having given reality to prapancha, you are saying Advaita is not possible. Advaita anupapatti uchyate. Kim va avastutvam. Or you think prapancha is not a real entity. Iti. Vikalpya. Adye Advaita anupapattim angikaroti. In first vikalpa, if prapancha is real, there is no Advaita, we accept. So you see, Siddhanti is very clear. Advaita is possible because prapancha is illusion. Prapancha is illusion, prapancha is mithya, means starting from ahankara. Aham jivaha, aham manushyaha, aham karta, bhokta, napta, putra, pita, whatever titles I have, aham, Swami, Sukhi, Dukhi, Mama, Ayam Kshetra, whatever is there, all of that is mithya. Then this teaching is valid. If vastutva, vastutaha, prapancha is there, then there is no Advaitam. Satyamiti, Satyamevam, Syat, Prapancho yadi vidyeta. Siddhanti says, yes, you are right. If Prapancha was there, then you are right. But Prapancha is not there. Siddhanti is really a cool person. Huh? He knows how to deal with all these Purvapakshas. Advaitam tarhi katham upapadyeta iti ashankya. Then how Advaita is possible? He says prapanchasya avastutva pakshe tad upapatti. Only when you understand prapancha is avastu. It is a non-entity. इत्याह रज्ज्वाम रज्ज्वाम सर्प इव कल्पितत्वात् न तु स विद्यते. Prapancha is like sarpa kalpita in rajju, and therefore prapancha is not there really. To digest these things, prapancha is not there, prapancha is mithya, all this is illusion, this is maya. Everybody knows now, you all have lived enough number of years after studying this to know what it takes to digest these things. While we are suffering, to say this is illusion, this is my mind's play, and I have to remain kutastha, remain drashta, and let this drishya go away happily without getting perturbed. This is what is needed. To be like Rama, that others may see, oh, he is crying looking for Sita ji, and he is very calm and tells Sati ji, what are you doing here in forest without my Bhagavan Shiva? Never lose sight of the truth teaching. This is not easy. यथा सर्पो रज्ज्वाम कल्पितो वस्तुतो नास्ति तथा प्रपंचोपि कल्पितत्वान् नैव वस्तुतो विद्यते. Just as sarpa in rajju is kalpita, really it is not there. Tatha in the same way prapanchopi kalpitatvat. Prapancha is also kalpita. Naiva vastutah vidyate. In reality it is not there at all. Tatha cha tatvikam advaitam aviruddham. Therefore, tatvikam advaitam. So from absolute standpoint there is advaitam. It is aviruddham. It was never contradicted. Advaitam was always there. Uktam artham vyatireka mukhena sadhayati. Whenever you see something in the bracket, like here, vyatireka mukhena and ana. So what you should understand is, in the original print of Anand Giriji or Bhashyakar, whatever, wherever it is, what is outside the bracket is given. Inside the bracket is having applied the Vyakarana Niyama or some Shuddhi that is suggested, that is in the bracket. So actual reading will become Vyatireka Mukhena Sadhayati in this way. This is how generally it is followed. Bhashya. Vidyamanaschen nivarteta na samshaya. If the prapancha was there, it would go away. There is no doubt. Na samshaya. टीका यदि आत्मनि नाउ सम ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग यदि आत्मनि कारणाधीनः सन् प्रपंचो विद्येत तदा कृतकस्य अनित्यत्वनियमात् तन्निवृत्ति R is missing. After nivritti, R is needed. Nivritti ravashyam bhavini. So I was wondering, there is no shabda called vashyam bhavini. See, this is what you have to also learn. Means you should have enough Sanskrit vocabulary. And you know, this is why people who are born in a culture with access to this language, whether it is Hindi or similar languages, you already have enough words to start with when you study Shastra. And this, I feel, people who are not having, you know, this language base, for them to learn Shastra in Sanskrit and then to become Acharya to teach is very difficult. Because they will never have so much vocabulary, the word base. It builds over only like years, you know. Nivrittir avashyam bhavini. Now, since I was seeing the tika, I missed one sentence in the previous tika. Nobody pointed out. Go back to 16. In tika, third last line. अग्रहण अन्यथा ग्रहण संबंध वैधुर्यम हेतुम कृत्वा. I didn't read that, did I? In the but nobody said anything. अग्रहण अन्यथा ग्रहण संबंध वैधुर्यम हेतुम कृत्वा विशेषण अद्वयम आह. विशेषण द्वयम आह. Agrahana and Anyatha Grahana, you already know these two words. Sambandha Vaidhuryam. What is Vaidhuryam? Vidhurasya bhavaha Vaidhuryam. Vidhura means separation. Separation because of the absence of the other. Actually, Vidhura word is used when husband is alive, wife is dead. It's called Vidhura. Wife is alive, husband is dead, she is called Vidhava. Vidhura and Vidhava. So Vidhurasya bhava Vaidhuryam, this kind of separation. Agrahana Anyatha Grahana Sambandha Vaidhuryam is the hetu for the two Visheshanas. So that was said, Anidram, Aswapnam. These two will become the hetu. There is no agrahana, means anidram. There is no aswapnam, anyatha grahana. Therefore, ajam advaitam. In that way, you have to put the four. Come back to this new next karika. Yaddi atmani karanadhinah san prapancho vidyeta tada kritakasya anityatva niyamat tan nivritti ravashyam bhavini. Yadi, if आत्मनि in Atma कारणधीनः सन् प्रपंचो विद्यते. 1 number टिप्पणी you see. परमाणु प्रधानादि कारणाधीनः इत्यर्थः. So now he begins some thought process with Paramanu means Arambhavada. Pradhana means Parinamavada. If Prapancha is Karana Adhina, Atmani Karana Adhina San Prapancho Vidyata, then what is caused and is an effect is called Kritaka. What is created. Kritakasya anityatva niyamat. What is created is anitya. This is the rule. So then creation is from either Paramanu or Pradhana or something. It is impermanent. This is the rule, and its nivritti will be there for sure. Avashyam bhavini nivrittihi. Karyasya cha nivrittir nama. As far as karya is concerned, what is the nivritti? Karana samsargaha. 2nd and 3rd number tippani. Nanu karanadhina eva abhyupagamyatam karyatva niyata anityatvena. If karya is accepted as karana adhina, karyasya karanadhinatvam eva abhyupagamyatam, if this is accepted, then it is always going to be impermanent. Niyata anityatvena tan nivrittau advaitam api setsyati. Then if the karya goes away, karana alone will remain. That is called advaitam setsyati siddhyati. Vadantarapalapo pina karaniya ityatraha. And you don't have to discuss about other vadas. Sanghatavada, Arambhavada, Parinamavada. What is the shloka for that? Sanghatavada. We have seen this in Sankshep Shariraka. Sanghatavada Kanabhaksha Paksha. Nay, Arambhavada Kanabhaksha Paksha. Sanghatavadastu Bhadanta Paksha. Sankhyaadi Paksha Parinamavada Vedanta Pakshastu Vivartavada. You remember which shloka we have seen in Sankshep Shariraka? Okay. Maharajji likes this shloka. He will make students chant. Okay, so Vadantara Apalapa, this unnecessary discussion on other Vadas, Arambhavada, Parinama, there is no need of discussing. If you just accept Karya is Karana Adhina, Karya Nivritti, Karana will remain, Advaitam is set. And 3rd number, Karana Sansarga means Karanatmana Avasthanam. So, Tika says, Karyasya cha nivrittir nama Karana Samsargaha. Karya Nivritti. So, Karya is there, which is Karana Adhina. Then, when it is removed, means it remains as Karana. Karyasya Karana Rupena Avasthanam. Like Ghata is there. Pot is an effect. Clay is the cause. You destroy the pot, it will go back to clay. Karyasya Karanatmana Avasthanam. Karya will remain as Karana. Karanatmana Avasthanam, that is Karana Sansargaha. Tataha, then Sati Karane Prapancha Nivrittehe Anatyantikatvat Advaitanupapattihi Ashankyeta. Tataha, thereafter, Sati Karane, when Karana is there, Prapancha Nivrittehe Anatyantikatvat. Then Prapancha Nivritti will be not Atyantika. It will be anatyantika. This portion is explained in Vedanta Paribhasha separately. They say elimination is of two types. One is like elimination of pot. So it goes back to Karana. Karana, actually this has come in some other bhashya or somewhere we saw. Karana Rupena, I think Tattvanusandhanam it came. Karana Rupena Avasthanam is one. Second is elimination of Sarpa from Rajju. Rajju Sarpa is removed from Rajju. It is not Karanatmana Avasthanam. It is gone for good because it was never there. So that is a different kind of nivritti. Ghata bhanga, dhvansa is different kind of nivritti. So here he says, where karya goes back to karana, then when karana is still existing, sati karane, prapancha nivritti hai anatyantikatvad. Prapancha nivritti is not atyantika. Why? Because clay is there. Anytime pot will come back. So then what you should do? Clay should go back to its karana. Pancha Mahabhuta. But as long as Pancha Mahabhuta is there, clay can come back in this way. So that is anatyantika nivritti. Advaita anupapattihi. Then there is no advaitam. Iti ashankyeta. Nacha karanadhinaha san prapancho asti. Siddhanta is very different. We say prapancha is not karana adhina. Why? Tasya kalpitattvena avastutvat ityartha. Because it is kalpita, it is avastu. So prapancha is not in its karana. Prapancha is non-existent. Prapanchasya maya vidyamanatvam natu vastutvam. Prapancha is only a magical appearance. All the events in life are magical appearance. Natu vastutvam. Really not there. Iti udaharana. Udaharanabhyam upapadayati. Through udaharanas is explaining. Nahi ityadina. Sarpo hi rajvam bhrantya kalpito. Nayam sarpo. Sarpa nahi, let us see bhashya. Nahi rajvam bhranti buddhya kalpitaha sarpo vidyamanaha san vivekato nivrittaha. Rajvam bhranti buddhya kalpitaha sarpa. In Rajju, sarpa which is bhranti buddhya kalpitaha. Vidyamana san vivekataha na nivrittaha. It is not that it is there and then through viveka I am removing. It is never there. Bhranti buddhya kalpita sarpa vidyamanaha and then nivrittaha is not true. So this is dvaitam vichare paramartha bodhe twadvaitamitye shana sadhuvada. Dvaitam vichare paramartha bodhe tu advaitam iti eshaha na sadhuvada. This is wrong thinking. Why? What is the next two lines? I have quoted this so many times. Gaveshanat prak dashame vinashte. Gaveshanat prak, prior to Gaveshanam. Dashame vinashte, when 10th man is not there. You know, when I chant this shloka in Pangat, here, because they don't study Saddarshanam, so they wonder what is this about Dashama, something which is so common, but we have not heard this shloka before. Gaveshanat prak dashame vinashte. Paschatcha labdhe. And later when the 10th man is found, the same person had dashamatvam. Dashamatvam ekam. So dashamatvam did not change from one person to another person. Earlier it was in somebody during enquiry, or it was not there and then it came up. In the same way, Advaitam is same. सर्पो ही टीका सर्पो ही रज्ज्वाम भ्रांत्या कल्पितो नायम सर्पो रज्जुरेषा एव इति विवेक धिया निवृत्तो नैव वस्तुतो विद्यते. सर्प कल्पित in bhranti due to bhranti kalpita in rajju. Sarpa kalpita in rajju due to bhranti. When this viveka happens, that this is not snake, this is rope. Now you have to remember, Nayam sarpaha is not jnanam. Iyam rajjuhu is jnanam. Nayam sarpaha is only corollary of jnanam. Like Nedam Rajatam is not Jnanam. Iyam Shuktihi is Jnanam. Nedam Rajatam is only counter effect. Iyam Shuktihi, Nedam Rajatam. In this way, means I am Brahma, not Deha Manushya, na ham Manushyo, na cha Deva Yaksho, na Brahmachari, na Grihi Vanastaha. न ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय वैश्य ऑल ऑफ दैट. सर्पो ही रज्ज्वाम भ्रांत्या कल्पितो नायम सर्पो रज्जु एषा एव इति विवेक धिया निवृत्तो. दिस सर्प विच इज विवेक धिया निवृत्त वस्तुतः नैव विद्यते. रियली स्पीकिंग इट वाज नेवर देयर टू बिगिन विथ. बाधितस्य कालत्रये अपि सत्व अभावात्. दैट विच इज बाधित इट वाज नेवर देयर इन ऑल थ्री periods of time. माया च इंद्रजाल शब्द वाच्या माया विना प्रदर्शिता. पार्श्वस्थानां माया दर्शनवतां चक्षुर्गतस्य यथार्थ दर्शन प्रतिबंधकस्य अपगमे सति समुत्पन्न सम्यक दर्शनतः निवृत्ता सती नैव वस्तुतो विद्यमाना भवितुम उत्सहते. इंद्रजाल शब्द वाच्या माया, दिस मैजिक क्रिएटेड बाय ए मायावी, शोन बाय मायावी, मायाविना प्रदर्शिता. पार्श्वस्थानां माया दर्शनवतां चक्षुर्गतस्य यथार्थ दर्शन प्रतिबंधकस्य अपगमे सति. So those who are seeing this Maya, Parshvasthana means those who are sitting in front, seeing this Maya, Chakshurgatasya Yathartha Darshana Pratibandhakasya Apagame Sati. So they are not able to, for some time, Yathartha Darshana is not there. Then, when that Pratibandha is removed, Pratibandhakasya Apagame Sati, Samutpanna Samyak Darshanataha Nivritta Sati. Through Samyak Darshana, when that Maya is removed, when Pratibandhaka is removed, when Pratibandhaka is removed, then Maya is removed. Remember that Pratibandhaka, like Chandrakant Mani, you kindle the fire. Chandrakant Mani is kept. Agni's dharma is Dahakatva. As long as Chandrakant Mani is there, Dahakatva will not be there. So why I am not realizing, in spite of all the Shastra and Adhyanam, so in Siddhanta they say there is some Pratibandhaka. Like in Panchadashi, first chapter they say, Pratibandhosti bhatiti vyavahararha वस्तुनि अस्ति भाति सच व्यवहार अर्ह वस्तु, व्यवहार योग्य वस्तु, in that व्यवहार अर्ह वस्तुनि, then what is the second line? I couldn't hear properly, but end is tasyotpadanam uchyate. This तन्निरुद्धस्य, हाँ, तन्निरस्य विरुद्धस्य, तन्निरस्य विरुद्धस्य तस्योत्पादनम् उच्यते. So तन्निरस्य, what is अस्ति भाति, that व्यवहार योग्य वस्तु. 14th shloka, right? Panchadashi, first chapter, or something around there. 13th. तस्य उत्पादनम, विरुद्धस्य उत्पादनम is called प्रतिबंधक. I am Ananda Swarupa. No. I am Dukhi. Ananda will come from something else when something happens. This is प्रतिबंधक. भाष्य का कठोपनिषद कः पुनः प्रतिबंधः. He says बहिर्मुखता is the प्रतिबंध. सो प्रतिबंधकस्य अपगमे सति समुत्पन्न सम्यक दर्शनतः निवृत्ता सति माया विच इज निवृत्ता नैव वस्तुतो विद्यमाना भवितुम उत्साहते. वस्तुतः विद्यमाना भवितुम न उत्साहते. Really it was existing. This cannot be accepted. Na utsate means it is not appropriate. Na sahate is there, it cannot stand. Ut is upasarga, na utsahate. Yatha idam udaharana dvayam. So one is Rajju Sarpa, another is Maya. Udaharana dvayam. Tatha idam dvaitam prapanchakhyam maya matram. In the same way, then this dvaitam is, which is prapanchakhyam, is maya matram, na paramarthatah asti. Really speaking, this prapancha is not there, ityarthaha. Prapanchasya asatve shunyavadah syat iti ashankyaha. When prapancha is not there, then somebody says there is shunyavadah. Bhashya. We have to read that. Naiva Maya in Bhashya. Naiva Maya, Maya vina prayukta तद्दर्शिनाम चक्षुर्बंधापगमे विद्यमाना सती निवृत्ता. माया, माया विना प्रयुक्ता. This Maya which is prayukta means applied, created by Mayavi. Then taddarshinam chakshurbandha apagame. When chakshurbandha, this is what is called applying the magic. When they do the magic, they do chakshurbandha. So then I can't know what is real. Even if it is there in front of me, as if there is a curtain in front of me. So the person who doesn't have this chakshurbandha, that person will see correctly. Person who has chakshurbandha, that person will not see the same thing as is. Like they give example, you know, these magicians. If there is a watch, let's say actually it is 6:30 p.m. if he creates this pratibandha, he wants everyone to see the time is 6 o'clock. Everyone will see 6 o'clock only in that hall. Outside the hall, on whom this magic he has not applied, they will see 6:30. Those who are in that where this magic has been casted, they say, they will not be able to see Yathartha. And then they do whatever tricks that they want to do. Somebody goes in the cupboard and then close the door and something happens, that person disappears, and then after some time again they come. See, modern things, what they do, they are tricks. They hide person. But in our tradition, it was Chakshubandha. They will create the curtain on your eyes, not on the object, not on prameya, on pramata. And that required sadhana actually. That Vashikarana sadhana and all that they had done. Now what they do is some cheap tricks, You have some technology, you move the person from here to there, always under the stage, behind the curtain, God knows what happens. That is different. This is different. So tad darshinam chakshur bandha apagame, when that bandha is removed, then vidyamana sati nivritta. Naiva. So it's not that it was there and it went. It was never there to begin with. It was just an illusion created. See, this is not true with the modern magicians. Because there it is vidyamana and then nivritta. Here they just create that illusion. Tatha idam prapanchakhyam maya matram idam dvaitam. In the same way, this entire prapancha is only maya matram. This dvaitam is maya matram. Rajjuvan maya vivaccha advaitam. Rajjuvat maya vivaccha advaitam. This is the adhishthanam. Rajju for Rajju Sarpa Drishtanta, Mayavi for Maya Drishtanta, Advaitam Paramarthataha. This Advaitam is the absolute reality. Tika Prapanchasya Kalatraye api Satvabhave Tatvikam Advaitam Aviruddham iti upasamharati. Prapanchasya Kalatrayapi. Prapancha in all three periods of time, there is no sattva, there is no reality. And therefore, Tatvikam Advaitam Aviruddham. So, in essence, there is non-duality, is not contradicted. Aviruddham iti upasamharati. Bhashya. Tasma na kaschit prapanchaha pravritto nivrutto va asti iti abhiprayah. Therefore, there is no such thing called prapancha which is there, then later it is removed. Prapanchaha pravrittaha or nivrittaha na asti. Bhashya. We want to do, or we can just stop here. We can continue in the afternoon. Okay. Already had. Because with the 18th Karika, and we will complete this topic, and then we will go to 8th mantra and whatever upasanas are there. Okay. So next we will do in the afternoon. 2:15 I will first meet those who are coming for camp, and then 2:30 we'll have session. Just 10 minutes. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।